In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage domains for your application in CloudRaptor. CloudRaptor allows you to configure your primary domain, add additional domains, and manage domain settings directly from the Overview tab. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Applications from the left sidebar. Now select the application you want to manage. Once inside, open the Overview tab. At the top, you'll see your primary domain. This is the main domain for your application, and it cannot be removed. Next, scroll down to the Additional Domains section. Here you can add extra domains that point to the same application. To add a new domain, click the Add option, enter your domain name, and save your changes. Each additional domain will be configured automatically with its own Nginx setup. You can also update domain settings if needed, and if you no longer need a domain, you can remove it by clicking the Delete option next to the domain. Keep in mind, the primary domain cannot be deleted. Before adding any domain, make sure your DNS is properly configured. Your domain's A record must point to your server's public IP address. Without this, your domain will not work correctly. Once everything is set up, users will be able to access your application using any of the configured domains. And that's how you manage domains in CloudRaptor. If you're still stuck, contact our dedicated support team for any of your queries, or reach out at support@cloudraptor.io.